Let's make skewered veggies. In this recipe, we'll make 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of vegetables. These can be your favorite vegetables, but some ideas include summer squash, peppers, cucumbers, grape tomatoes, mushrooms, jicama, or turnips. You also need low-fat salad dressing. You need a cutting board, knife, skewer, and plate. First, always wash your hands and surfaces before working with food. Be sure to wash all vegetables. Peel any vegetables that need peeling, like the cucumbers, jicama, and turnips. Cut all of the vegetables into chunks. Place the chunks on a skewer. If you don't have a skewer, that's okay. Simply arrange the veggies on a plate. Drizzle salad dressing over the vegetables and enjoy. Refrigerate any leftovers immediately.